Have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you go without food for 24 hours? It's a fascinating journey that our bodies embark on, one that's been part of human experience for thousands of years. Whether by necessity or for religious reasons, fasting has been a part of our history, and our bodies have evolved to handle these periods without food remarkably well. Let's dive into the incredible changes that occur in your body during a 24-hour fast. First off, your blood insulin levels take a significant nosedive. This drop in insulin is like flipping a switch that tells your body to start burning fat for fuel. It's as if your body is saying, "All right, no food coming in? Time to tap into those energy reserves." But that's not all. Your body also cranks up production of human growth hormone, or HGH. We're not talking about a small increase here. HGH levels can skyrocket by as much as 500%. This surge in HGH is like your body's way of preserving muscle mass while it's burning fat. It's a double whammy that supports both fat burning and muscle gain. Now, here's where things get really interesting. Your body kicks off a process called autophagy. Think of autophagy as your body's internal cleaning crew. It goes through your cells, identifying and breaking down old, damaged, or dysfunctional proteins. It's like a Marie Kondo-style decluttering, but at a cellular level. This process is so important that the scientist who discovered it won a Nobel Prize. Autophagy isn't just about keeping things tidy inside your cells. It's a powerful defender against a range of diseases, including some pretty scary ones like Alzheimer's and cancer. By clearing out cellular junk, autophagy helps your body function more efficiently and reduces the risk of these diseases taking hold. But wait, there's more. Fasting also amps up your body's resistance to oxidative stress. Now, oxidative stress might sound like something you'd experience in a high-pressure job, but it's actually about unstable molecules called free radicals. These troublemakers can damage important molecules in your body, like proteins and DNA. By increasing your resistance to oxidative stress, fasting helps protect your body from this damage, which is a key factor in aging and many chronic diseases. Speaking of protection, fasting is also a powerful weapon against inflammation. You've probably heard about inflammation. It's been linked to all sorts of health issues, from heart disease to diabetes. By reducing inflammation, fasting helps create an environment in your body that's less hospitable to these common diseases. Now, you might be thinking, but won't I be burning fewer calories if I'm not eating? Surprisingly, the opposite is true. During a fast, your metabolic rate can actually increase by anywhere from 3.6 to 14%. That means your body is burning more calories, even though you're not eating. It's like your body is saying, "No food. No problem. Let's crank up the furnace and burn some stored energy." This increase in metabolic rate isn't just about burning more calories in the moment. It's also about becoming more efficient at using calories for energy rather than storing them as fat. It's like your body is learning to be a better energy manager, making the most of what it has. All these internal shifts work together to optimize your body's ability to thrive, even when food isn't available. It's a testament to the incredible adaptability of the human body. We've evolved to not just survive, but actually benefit from periods without food. Now, you might be wondering if this means you should start fasting regularly. While the benefits are impressive, it's important to remember that fasting isn't for everyone. If you have certain health conditions or are pregnant, fasting could be harmful. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your eating habits. But for many people, incorporating periods of fasting into their lifestyle can be a powerful tool for health and well-being. It's like a reset button for your body, giving it a chance to clean house and optimize its functions. Some people practice intermittent fasting, where they limit their eating to certain hours of the day. Others might do longer fasts occasionally. Under medical supervision, the key is to listen to your body and find what works for you. Maybe it's a 16-hour fast once a week, or maybe it's a 24-hour fast once a month. Whatever you choose, remember that fasting is a tool, not a punishment. It's about giving your body a break from the constant work of digestion and allowing it to focus on repair and optimization. In our modern world of constant food availability, it's easy to forget that our bodies are designed to handle periods without food. In fact, these periods of fasting can be incredibly beneficial. They're like a tune-up for your body, helping it run more efficiently and effectively. So the next time you find yourself going 24 hours without food, whether intentionally or not, remember the incredible processes happening inside your body. You're not just not eating, you're giving your body a chance to repair, reset, and optimize. It's a powerful reminder of the amazing capabilities of the human body and the potential benefits of occasionally stepping away from our usual eating patterns. In conclusion, a 24-hour fast is more than just skipping a few meals. It's a complex and fascinating process that triggers a cascade of beneficial changes in your body. From increased fat burning and cellular repair to improved metabolic function and disease resistance, fasting is a powerful tool for health and longevity. It's a testament to the incredible adaptability of the human body and a reminder of the potential benefits of occasionally stepping away from our usual eating patterns. So next time you're considering skipping a meal or two, remember, you're not just saving calories, you're potentially unlocking a host of health benefits. Your body is an amazing machine, capable of thriving even in the absence of food. By understanding and harnessing these processes, we can tap into a powerful life hack for health and well-being.